Alright guys. There's a lot of stuff happening today. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the Loot Crate. We're actually going to unbox January's. Let's go ahead and just get started, huh? The crazy thing is right now, I live in California. It is pouring outside. So everyone moves here so that we can avoid this. I don't know what's happening. Alright guys, so here we go. We got the January 2019 Loot Crate. Let's get this bad boy cracking. Alright, so first things first, we already have this, it's called Binge, so I don't ever actually look at see if, what's inside. I just kind of hope to see if something good's gonna happen. I don't even look at the previews or anything like that. So this month's is Binge themed, so let's get right into it. So first things first, we have the t-shirt. Oh, okay, so it looks like it is a phone with a bunch of apps that are cracked. I don't even know if you can see that, to be honest with you. Right there. Black Mirror. Oh. I actually started watching this. It's actually really, really good. I actually just got too busy to finish it, but I'm definitely gonna go back. I actually really like this shirt, even if it wasn't a Black Mirror shirt. It's like, just like a random, kind of weird, cool looking shirt. So that's a good one. I like that one already. Futurama. Oh my gosh. That's fried. That's fried. I freaking love Futurama. Oh my gosh. These things are freaking awesome. You know, like those little, they look like Funkos, but I don't know if it's made by Funko. Kid Robot. Futurama. You know what? We're gonna open this right now. We're gonna see who we're gonna get. Here we go. I'm not gonna lie. I would love either Fry, Leela, or obviously the number one Bender. Who we getting? Fingers crossed. Oh my gosh. The stupid Anchorman. What the hell is his name? Morbo. I mean, he looks tight. He looks cool. He got a big old head. Reminds me of my sister. She got a big old head too. Next on our thing is, let's see here, the eye patch. This was actually supposed to come back in last month's crate, but they did leave a message saying, oh, it's going to be thrown in the new one, so now you guys get to see the eye patch, guys. You know what, I'm going to put it on. Let's see how it looks. Why not? I'll do my good eye. How's it look? Look pretty? Yeah, my patches, I mean, they look cool in pirate games, but I don't know if they feel nice when you wear them. Very uncomfortable. Alright, let's keep going. So now that I can only have half my vision, next one we have here, Friends. Friends socks. Hey, these are from freaking, Monica puts a chicken on her head. Oh, spoiler, sorry. It's just gonna have to watch the episode, but it's good. I like these socks. Definitely wear these for sure. They're yellow. I don't have a pair of yellow socks, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and next thing we have on here is our pin. So let's see here, USS. Oh, it's Black Mirror again. I actually don't know what that actually symbolizes because I haven't seen the episodes, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and check that out. I actually like this pin regardless. It kind of looks like Star Wars, which it's not, but it looks like it. It's fine. That was cool. I like it. Last but not least on here, we have SpongeBob calendar, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is easily my favorite thing in here. I love SpongeBob. This is gonna be awesome. Now I don't have to go get my calendar for this year. I already have one ready to go. It's a little mini one, but I don't care. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, it's just like flashbacks to old episodes. Season 1, Season 2 SpongeBob right here. The robot? Oh yeah. Wow, this is nice. I don't know why I like this so much. This is retarded. Alright, so that's everything for this Loot Crate. There is one extra thing on here. This is watch this TV, get Loot Crate app, tap Loot Legend, scan the Crate TV screen, unlock your virtual loot. I don't know what that is. There's some instructions on there. If you guys want to try that, I'll probably try that later once I download the app. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Have a good one.